So B&S is an automation company. So we belong to a group called TH. So we have 5 companies under the same umbrella, working from civil engineering to automation, manufacturing of machine manufacturers. So we do end-line solutions for all types of industries. We have machines all over the world. We do machines like case packer, palletizers, flow pack machines, conveyor for boxes and everything. We create the concepts, we design, we proof concepts, and then we assemble and deliver to the customer. For us, automation engineering is developing solutions to make people's and community life better. SOLIDWORKS itself, we work since the beginning of the company. Adopting 3D experience was to change everything, to make sure that everybody has access to the right information on the right place, on the latest revision. So this is what 3D experience is about for us. Changing the way we do projects, changing the way we do innovation. For us, it's very important to have a support in this development because development costs money. And as we are always developing, we should use the best tools available to be more assertive. We have 2 next steps. So one is bring more of our flow inside of the platform, maybe using Delmia Works and everything. And the second one is simulation. As we always do custom machines, I need the customer approval to move forward with the design. So normally 30 or 40% of our equipment is totally custom made. So with that in mind, I need to share with the customer the drawings or the concept to be approved before it starts manufacturing. But normally the customer doesn't have a SOLIDWORKS on his machine. So with the platform, I just give them access inside my platform, and he will be able to check, to remove things, to make measures and do everything. So it makes my life easier because the approved design, it will be the best one because the customer will be able to see everything. I love 3D Experience platform because it's collaborative, and for me, it's the future.